غدیر Karimli. I'm from the South Azerbaijan Alliance. I would just first of all thank Ms. غدیر. I would like to do it in Turkish if it's okay. Çok çok sağ olun bütün işleriniz için, bütün çabalarınız için. You are a great role model for us, and your struggle gives us the spirit to continue. And for that, I want to specially thank you. I'm here on behalf of the South Azerbaijan Alliance. We are 35 million Azerbaijani Turks in Iran who, just as you mentioned, have similar issues. We have all our rights in the constitutional law in Iran, but unfortunately we are not granted any of them. And we have all of the minorities issues that you just mentioned, and on top of this we also have the issue of environmental issues such as Lake Urmia, and that the government is destroying our environment in order to, be able to make sure that we can no longer live and be in our areas. And we have had great numbers of activists such as yourselves who have been imprisoned for demanding the rights that they actually have in the constitutional law, the last being the members of New Sanam, who got 45 years imprisonment. And we have had big uprising, the last one in 2006, when 30 people were died and millions took to the street. And we still are now not getting the international attention that we need, and we are not getting through to the government, and we are, the problems are just getting bigger and bigger, and the situation is just getting worse and worse, especially since Mr. Rouhani came into power, this Democrat and moderate president. The executions has increased, the detentions has increased, and the situation of the human rights issues has become worse and worse. And my question is, what is your suggestions for us? What can we do? What would be the best way for us to continue? Because right now, anything is for help for us. So thank you, and thank you once again for everything that you've done.
First of all the people who are suffering should come together to get a stronger platform, position. This is every ethnic groups, every people's right to be free and to have to live in a just society. So we should not stop struggling. Our struggle also. Finally, of course, at the end, if we get united and come together, and we can, make the people hear our voice.
And şu diktatör devletlerini biz dostluş arkalıklar, yaxşı gap qilish arkalık dünya hemmisi yaxşı münasebet bağlanıp belki ular bizim yeteklerimiz, biz ularni bir gün tesirlendirip yeteklep ketişimiz mümkün. Diktatör devletlerinin xuddi şu mayli İran olsun, mayli Xitoy olsun, mayli başka olsun, diktatör devletlerinin şu kurash, bizim ittifaqlashishimiz, tinchlik bilan olib borgan faoliyatimiz cho'qim bir kuni o'zgartishi mumkin deb umid qilamiz.
So our struggle will have its own results. Finally, at the end, we will, the dictator regimes also will be forced to listen to us at the end and come into a dialogue with us and to address our grievances. I am hopeful for that.
Kurash qilgan har qanday bir millat ozod bo'lmay qolmadi.
So if we continue our struggle, we will, get the result from our struggle, and at the end, the dictator states will be forced, and at the end, the dictator states will have to, listen to our grievances and address our grievances.
Biz bir-birimizle ittifaqlaşıp çoxum bu vaqtda birlik fəaliyyət yapaq.
The first step is to come together and to unite. All the people who are suffering should come together to stand up against the dictatorial regimes.